In this video, we will explain what the different colors mean when you use the ls command in Ubuntu. When you type ls in the terminal, it lists the files and folders in the current directory. You might see that some of them appear in different colors. These colors are there to help you quickly understand what each item is. Blue means it is a directory. That is a folder that can contain files and other folders. Green means it is an executable file. This usually means it's a program or script that can run. Light blue or cyan means it is a symbolic link. A symbolic link is like a shortcut to another file or folder. Yellow with a black background means it is a device file. These are special files used by the system to communicate with hardware. Red means it is a compressed file. These are usually archives like zip, tar, or gz files. Pink or magenta means it is an image file or sometimes a video or media file. This color can vary depending on your system settings. White means it is a regular file. These are usually text files, documents, or code files. Sometimes you might see gray. That means the file is hidden or has no special meaning. These colors are controlled by a setting called ls_colors. If you want to see what each color stands for on your system, you can type dircolors in the terminal. To make sure colors are always used, you can type ls, color = auto. This is usually already set by default. That's how the color system works in ls. It helps you quickly spot different kinds of files and folders without reading the full names. Thanks for watching.